What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B. We're coming back to you with another video. Man, I hope everybody's doing well. We enjoying this beautiful weather today. Man, we've been having ice and snow. We've been having everything going on here in Texas, baby. But y'all, we finna add something else to the bike. So y'all take a good look at Khrome right now, the way he is. Forget my dirty truck, but look at Khrome right now. But I'm finna add something to the bike. I think you might like it. So I'm gonna take a little ride, and then I'm gonna stop, and I'm gonna show you what it is. Man, just look at the bike now. Look at it. But I'm finna add something to it, and I'm gonna show you what it is right after this. Let's go. I'm back, man. I'm back. Y'all, this is my 2018 Road Glide called Khrome right here. And I hope you see what's different on the bike right now. Look at that boy right now. Today, what we put on here, I'm gonna leave my helmet on because it's wind blowing. Hopefully don't get a lot of wind. But what we did on here, we went with the HOGWORKZ 9-inch red windshield, and we got the HOGWORKZ screws. You can get these in any color right there. I will put some on the screen, but make sure you go to hogworks.com and use my discount code KellyB and get you 5% off of your purchase. Yes, 5%. I'm gonna point out a few things that I have at HOGWORKZ on here. That's the HOGWORKZ front fender right there, the carbon fiber fender. It's the mid-length fender as well. I have the HOGWORKZ chin spoiler on here too, and I have the HOGWORKZ saddlebag. Those are HOGWORKZ saddlebags. Been on my bike for a minute, so I got stuff in here, but I'm gonna show you what I got in here. I got the HOGWORKZ liners here. These are the liners, y'all. They were the first one that come out with the liners with the pockets in it. The first one come out with it. So yeah, that's what I got on here from HOGWORKZ, and I got the real fender right here as well. Carbon fiber, and the license plate that I just installed. If you didn't catch that video, make sure you go catch that video as well. And another thing that we installed on here, I mean, it's not an installation, but we got the HOGWORKZ pocket liners in here as well. Same as those back there in the back, red and black. But yeah, make sure you go check out HOGWORKZ, man. You can get these windshields in any color that they have on their website. So make sure you check out the website and go purchase you one of these. Man, I wanted to bring something new to the bike as well. I really wanted to do that, and I feel like I did with what I have done. This bike has been revamped a couple of times, y'all. If you've been following me for a while, you know that this bike has been revamped quite a bit. And that red windshield set it off, y'all. Oh man, I know everybody's still getting stuff for the new bikes, but man, I'm still in love with this boy here and what I was able to do with the help of the good Lord and HOGWORKZ. So yeah, that red windshield, like I say, that's the 9-inch. It got a nice little curve in it right there. Got a little dip on the side, and it's pretty thick too. Yes, it's pretty thick. Got a nice thickness on it as well. So yeah, but that carbon fiber fender is rocking right there, y'all. That carbon fiber on this bike and the red pieces are just sticking out. So y'all, man, I'm gonna end this video right here. You know what, I'll end it when we get home. I'll definitely end it when we get home, because man, this boy is fire, dude. HOGWORKZ, make sure you go check out hogworks.com, like I say. And like I said, these are the saddlebag and the lid in the bag, y'all. Yeah, and like I say, use my discount code. But y'all, we're gonna get to the house get out this wind. So that's why I left my helmet on, because I didn't want the wind to mess up the mic. And just so you can see this beautiful view right here. Yeah, so I'll see you at the crib, all right? Peace. Well, y'all, big shout out to HOGWORKZ, y'all. I appreciate HOGWORKZ for sending that 9-inch windshield right there. Like I said, go check out the website, use my discount code, and get you some money off on this. It's always good to save a little something. And they got tool packs, they color match. So make sure you go check out HOGWORKZ.com. Use my discount code KellyB. And man, we're gonna end this video right here. I really appreciate y'all. Until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. It's warming up. It's gonna be a beautiful weekend, and I'm riding. Let's go. We out. Peace.
He don't stop till the ride is done. Throttle open wide, he's feeling free. This life on 2 wheels is where he's meant to be. He rides with fire, he rides with pride. Wind in his hair on that Kelly B glide. No looking back, just miles to burn. Every twist and turns, another lesson learned. Kelly B's rolling, hear that engine cry.